Friends, good evening to all of you and a very warm welcome to the 105th edition of FD Zone. I can see that this long weekend holidays have snatched some of our regular viewers. Nevertheless, we cannot wait now anymore. Today is a very memorable day in the annals of this FD Zone screenings, which we have started 2 years back, and today is the 105th successful edition of this screening. Very memorable because today we are paying tribute to one of the illustrious sons of films division, one of the most versatile filmmakers of his time, a person who has travelled not only throughout the country but outside India also, and made some of the memorable films for films division. A person who has started his career as a cameraman, and then rose to become a newsreel cameraman, then director, and ultimately he became a producer and retired in 1985. In a career spanning almost 31 years in film division, he has made hundreds of films, including newsreels, documentaries, biographicals, and went on to win a number of awards too, both national and international. I am speaking about none other than our beloved Prem Vaidya ji. Last month, his daughter Anuradha Shastri ji, she came from New York and met me. She wanted some DVDs for her personal collection. And then we spoke at length. And she was all the time telling that, my father, even though he is in advanced age, is almost 87, but still he speaks about film division. He speaks about his good old days of filmmaking at the length and breadth of India, covering memorable locations and some of the most nasty ones also, the 1964's Indo-Pakistan conflict, and again in 1971 the Indo-Pak war, and the way he went all the way to Andaman to shoot that one of the most important ever productions of film division. A film which I, as head of the marketing and distribution of film division, can always vouch for, because that is one film, that is one documentary film which is always in demand. Vaidyaji and his team, probably nobody else would have dared to go to Andaman and try to shoot those tribals who were known for their ferocity, who would never allow any human being from the outside world to invade into their privacy. So he took the challenge and made that film, and went on to make so many memorable films, including some of the best known biographicals film division has produced. Film on Veer Savarkar ji, film on Baba Amte, on Vinoba Bhave, so on and so forth. Prem Vaidya ji left us last month, July 10th, and it was a shock for all of us because according to Anuradha ji, he was telling her that I would like to go to FD and see what is happening today there. He wanted to meet the old people and also those like us who has never had the opportunity to see him working here. Anyway, then we decided that it is time now to pay a homage, a tribute to this great filmmaker who was not only a filmmaker but also a very good writer. His memoir was published by National Film Archive of India, and another book on Veer Savarkarji is also known for its, inside view of that great filmmaker, freedom fighter. I am very happy that Pramila Tai is among us, and also his son and daughter and host of relatives apart from my regular film lovers. And I can see from the faces of most of you that you all of you are waiting anxiously with bated breath to see some of his best works. We have showcased 5 films, and I should add that we are grateful to Anuradha Shastriji who has agreed to curate this special edition for us. Sitting in New York, she didn't say any word. Like, we were expecting that she being there. I mean, she left India almost immediately before, his death. She was here with her family. We thought maybe she will, say that, sitting here, how I can curate a program like this. But within no time, she agreed, and then through email, she sent a beautiful curatorial note and also selected 5 of his best films. We wanted to screen his film on Veer Savarkarji also, but then we decided that we will be having a special edition of FD Zone very soon on some of the best films we have made on great freedom fighters, and we'll be including that film in that section, and you all will be able to see that film in the coming days.